So now that we know how to send the values from HTML code to the PY, we need to force the user to type something in these inputs, because if the user clicks on calculate without even passing any numbers here, it's gonna work, and we don't want that. We want to force the user to type something. So how can we do that? Well, first of all, here in the simple, we need here in each input, we need to pass here required. So for the first number, I'm gonna pass the keyword or the attribute required. Similarly for the select here, you need to pass required, and you also need here to remove this selected and pass an empty value. Value is empty, and then here I'm gonna pass also values, value, and then I'm gonna say plus, and then for the second one I'm gonna say value, and then minus, and then for the third I'm gonna say value and then equals to multiply, and then finally I'm gonna say divide. I'm gonna say here value and then equals to divide. And for the second number, we also here need to pass the keyword required. And now if you save and head on over back to the browser, guess what? Let me first refresh, and then let me click on calculate. Guess what? What's gonna happen? Once I have clicked on calculate, it's gonna tell me here, please fill out this field. And if you fill out the first field and then click on calculate, it's gonna tell me, please select an item in the list. So if you select, for example, plus, and then if you click on calculate, it's gonna again ask you to fill the third field, please fill out this field. So the user will not be able to click on calculate, and we are not gonna waste our time with a user who is not serious. We are not gonna waste our time. We are not gonna do anything unless the user fill out all of these fields.